Hello everyone, welcome to Owen's Treats. It is the new year and it is almost Mardi Gras. So I thought, since I made mini king cakes last year, I thought this year we'd be making praline muffins. If you don't know what pralines are candy pecans that are very popular in New Orleans. With that, let's start with our first step. For ingredients, we have 1.5 cups of pecans chopped, 1.5 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of melted butter, 3 eggs. I have additions. I'm going to be dyeing the muffins purple, and I will have gold and green sprinkles on top. A mini muffin pan here. For our first step, we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together. Brown sugar, or 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, chopped pecans. And we are going to mix these together. So you want to break up any large chunks of brown sugar, and then we just want to mix everything until it's nice and even. Alright, we're going to set this aside and we're going to work on our wet ingredients. So we have our 3 large eggs, and then we're going to beat these eggs, and then once the eggs are beaten, we're going to stream in our butter. We have our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. And this is a nice and golden batter. But I want to see if I can dye this purple. I can color in some food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to put this into the fridge for around 10 minutes, and this is going to let the sugar really mix in with the pecan. We have our chilled batter, muffin liners here, and we're just going to lightly grease. We're going to start filling up our muffin 3/4 way full. So now that we have our muffins, we're going to level them. So we're just going to shake them back and forth. We're going to tap it on the table around 3 times. And that gets rid of any air bubbles. We are going to pop this into preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to bake these for around 20 minutes, or until you stick a toothpick into the middle and it comes out clean. And here are our finished praline muffins out of the oven, and I decorated them. I love them cool too. But yeah, thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I wish you guys a happy and cheerful Mardi Gras, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!